Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's puddle pour. Oh my goodness, this was surprising in so many different ways. Look at how the colours interacted. Thank you to my wonderful members MJ, Fluid Art and Linda Curtin. You are so supportive, and here's a little treat for you as well today. Thank you to my subscribers, you're just the best. So this one acrylic pour technique that you've got to just try is the puddle pour. Oh my god, this is my second puddle pour and I swipe through it. So here are the colours for today. Really surprising colours. A bit of chocolate to enhance the Arteza red, and two iridescents, that beautiful green blue, that's one of my favourites, and two golds. One gold is by Essentials and one gold is by Golden, the iridescent fine. I'll put those in the description for you as well. So I'm going to leave you with some music. I'll put in some nice music for you, and I shall see you for the wet results at the end, I hope. Thank you so much for being here.
if our words stop the bleeding? What if my touch could heal scars? Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, what if there's no other answer? What if it comes down to us? What if we just took our chances? What if our time doesn't come? Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, lifeline. All of the others are closing their shutters and hiding away from the crowds. And all of the hunters are chasing their wonders, and I'm only lost in the clouds. Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight. Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, waiting for a lifeline. Oh, legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. Histories made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight. Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Freedom, freedom, freedom for my body, soul and mind. Freedom, freedom, here at the river where I leave it all behind. Satisfied, Lord, I know you will deliver like you do every time that I come alive. Freedom for my body, soul and mind. Freedom, freedom, here at the river where I leave it all behind. At the river, leave it all behind. Back at the river, yeah, leave it all behind. At the river, freedom. At the river, take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive.
I can't believe how this colour palette is played together. It was totally unexpected. This little tool is something that I didn't throw away. I can't stand throwing something away if I think I can use it. It's actually from a deodorant top. So if you ever have one of those wipe-on deodorants by Dove, if you take the top off, there's like a cap to seal it in, and I was just having a lot of fun with it. It's going to be my new tool. Love it. I lost my butterfly tool temporarily, and this one is, yeah, it's just a new tool and a new fun way to create. Here's the wet results. Oh my goodness, what do you see? I see almost an aerial view of land and sea, almost. What do you see? I'd love to know. I always loved seeing what you see. Let me know what you're creating. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to see you soon and hear what you think. and see what you're creating. Don't forget that your art is a piece of you. And I hope you're having a good day. Take care now. See you soon, I hope. Bye.